Good morning, class 2. I hope, dear children, you all are fine. Today we will be beginning a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, more about the mouse. Means we have studied about the mouse in class 1 and in class 2 also, but we will be learning more about the mouse just like you have studied about the keyboard. Okay. So in this lesson, what we will learn: mouse and its pointer, classification of different types of mouse, left and right click, difference between single and double click, selection of objects on screen using left click, and drag and drop. These are the various topics about which we will study. So let's start the chapter. A pointing device attached to the computer is called a mouse. It is a pointing device. You have earlier studied this. Means it is used for pointing the objects. Okay, we know that there is a pointer. The cursor is changed to pointer when we are using mouse, and when we see on the screen, it looks like an arrow. Usually it is looking like an arrow. We can change the setting and we can change its look also. So that is why it is called a pointing device, because we can point on the objects. And it is not a part of the standard machinery that the computer is. We attach to it. Okay, it is a different part. It is a separate part, and we attach it to computer when we have to use it. Do you know why it is named so? So you must have thought why we call it mouse many times. Now we will study why it is called a mouse. It looks like a real mouse and has a long tail like a real one. I'm sure you must have seen a mouse at your place, and it looks like that kind of mouse with a real long tail. Tail means the wire that is attached to it, and then it is connected to computer. So it looks like a tail, and that is why it has got its name, that is mouse. Besides, it moves quickly on the screen. Just like the real mouse, when we move the mouse attached to our computer, it moves very quickly, and along with that movement, the pointer movement or the cursor movement also it is related to it, so it moves also very fast. A mouse is used to point and select items on the computer screen. It is also used while playing games and making drawings. Means we can use mouse for pointing. We can take the cursor there, pointer there, and we can select the items. When we will click on it, the item will be selected. It can be selected for opening, for cutting, pasting, copying. For various purposes it can be selected. So we can use it for pointing and selecting. It is also used while playing games. If we want to play games, mouse is very much required, because usually we play games using mouse only. Okay, mouse, joysticks, but mouse is used quite often, and we don't use keyboard as such for playing games. And for making drawings. For drawing also we need mouse. We cannot make drawings using keyboard. Okay, now we will study about types of computer mouse. Different types of computer mouse are available in the market. You must have seen different mouse everywhere, whether it is in school or at your home or in different places. So various kinds of mouse are available. First is 2-button mouse. It is a 2-button mouse. You can see in the picture and in your book also. It has 2 buttons only, that is left button and right button. Then 3-button mouse. It has got 3 buttons, right button, left button and middle button. And they have different functions. All these buttons have different functions. And then scroll mouse. Means right button, left button, and along with this 2 button there is a scroll wheel attached to it. Okay, it is already there in the mouse. 2-button and 3-button mouses are not used frequently nowadays, as scroll mouse is more advanced. Let us know more about it. Means earlier there were these were being used quite often, 2 and 3 button mouse. But today the mouse that we are using, that we are used to of is scroll button mouse. It has got a scroll wheel. Okay, so now we will study about this scroll mouse. First is, it is classified into two types, that is ball mouse and optical mouse. There are two types of scroll mouse you can see. One is ball mouse and another one is optical mouse. Now let's study what is scroll mouse. There is a scroll wheel between the left and the right button of a scroll mouse. Means there is a small wheel which you can move and which will help in the movement of pointer on the screen also. Scroll wheel helps in moving up and down in a page. Means suppose you have a document of, you have a file in which there are 5 to 10 pages are there. So you want to move very fast in those pages and you want to check something. At that time scroll wheel can be of great help. Now scroll mouse can be of two types. Ball mouse. There is a ball inside the bottom part of a ball mouse. Means you can see this is the bottom part and here the ball is there. So it will help like when this ball will move, along with this the pointer will move on the screen. This ball helps in the movement of the mouse pointer. Such types of mouse is also called a mechanical mouse. Okay, these kind of mouse in which there is a ball, it is also called mechanical mouse, and we can see ball at the bottom of it. Optical mouse. An optical mouse uses light for movement of the pointer. It does not have a ball inside it. Means we are using light for the movement of mouse pointer and it does not have a ball like this inside it.